Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing, simple, unique and aesthetic PowerPoint template in just 1 minute. So tag along and watch the video till end. So let's start. So the first thing you're going to do is open up a blank slide and go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a rectangle of this size. Remove its outline, duplicate it and place it next to the first one. Duplicate it again and duplicate it again, and you're gonna select them and increase or decrease their size as you want them to be and place them side by side in this order. So as you can see, I have duplicated them several times. And let me just place it downwards as well, somewhat this thick. And let's increase its width. And we're gonna duplicate this one and make it really small, put it onto the top, select all of them, go to merge and go to union. You're gonna go to format shape and insert an image. Close the format background and you can adjust the size of the picture from crop option in the picture format. And there you go. The next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab, Shapes, and insert a rectangle. And you're gonna change its color as you want, duplicate it, and move it downwards and decrease its width. And let me just copy my text from a previously made slide, and I'm gonna paste it right here onto this current slide. And I'm gonna adjust the other stuff that I want to use in this template for decorations. And that was all you had to do in this video. If you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And let me see you again in another video with more amazing content and videos.